the Squirrel and the Nightingale. In a kingdom not too far away lived Manny, a flying squirrel, with his best friend King, a blood-breasted nightingale. Every day they told about what they were to be when they grow up. They were in the valley of the kingdom near the giant redwood trees in the valley. But one day, Manny didn't see his friend King. He asked the oldest sequoia the same one day greeted every day. Have you seen my friend King, the blood-breasted nightingale that accompanied me all these days? Manny asked the big tree. I haven't seen him today, replied the big guy with the big branch and last foliage. Manny searched and searched through the trees near the creek you once visited to cool off, but he couldn't find it. Almost a week later, the flying squirrel received a visitor at home. It was his friend King, who brought him good news. I found a female with whom we want to migrate south and have many of spring. She came to inviting you to our adventure. Manny was surprised to see his friend, and at the same time he was thinking that he would not see his friend anymore if did not accompany them. Finally, Manny decided to accompany them to migrate south to together with his friend and the newly form a new family. He was very happy for his friend, who was now forming a nest in which to warm the egg that would soon be his chest in the new place in the kingdom they choose to live. And he thought that someday he would also find a mate to have many children himself. time passed, and one day, as Manny was babysitting his friend's chest, he saw gliding through the trees a flying female that captivated him. She was Sandy, a standard squirrel who was all enough to meet, but she didn't have a meal either. She was very fond of climbing trees and sweeping up to the next one through the air. When she saw Manny caring for matching bird sheds, she was very curious and came over. For weeks, Sandy and Manny talked about that they wanted to do when they grow up. Manny remembered that he had told his friends when they lived in the valley, and it turned out to be the same thing Sandy had thought up for her. When Kent learned that Sandy wanted to travel to the valley where the big redwoods lived, he was sad but was happy for his friends as he had found his traveling companion to his nearest place. Both Manny and King succeeded in fulfilling their plans for the future, and both families lived very happily. The end. Thank you.